This is the Lafayette Presbyterian Church. Citizens of the village of Chattooga organized Ebenezer Church on August 12, 1836. Charter members included John McWhirter, Jonathan Felden, William Henry, Sarah Henry, Phyllis, slave of the Henrys, Andrew Barry, Margaret Barry, James McWhirter, Temperance McWhirter, Sarah McWhirter, Lydia Dixon, Elizabeth Felding, Susan, slave of the Feldings, Abner Mize, Mary Smith, Elizabeth Beatty, Isaac Swan, and Amanda Love. After Chattooga was rechristened Lafayette in 1836 in honor of the Revolutionary War hero Marquis de Lafayette, the church was renamed Lafayette Presbyterian Church in 1841. The present sanctuary was built in 1848. On June 24, 1864, during the American Civil War, a battle was fought in Lafayette. The Presbyterian Church was used as a field hospital during and following the battle. In 1883, the church building was repaired from the damage caused during the war. In 1922 to 23, the church was re-bricked in the cream-colored brick that you see right here. Thus, the present sanctuary walls are 3 bricks thick. The basement was dug by the men of the church in 1942. In 1972, a fellowship hall, additional classrooms, and an office space was added to the rear of the old building. The congregation remains an inclusive church with a warm welcome to all. Let's get it. P9 coming at you with another vlog, and here I am in Lafayette, Georgia. Lafayette is a city and county seat of Walker County, located in the northwestern portion of Georgia. And as of the 2020 census, the population of Lafayette was 6,888. So it has close to 7,000 residents here in this small city. And originally, Lafayette was referred to as Chattooga in its founding. And it is part of the Chattanooga, Tennessee metro area. Now, what's interesting about Lafayette, Lafayette is spelled the same way as Lafayette, Louisiana. They're spelled the exact same way. It's just that here in Georgia, it's pronounced Lafayette as opposed to Lafayette as it is pronounced in Louisiana. So I found that very interesting. So I wanted to make sure that I got the pronunciation right before I started this vlog, unlike I did in the Adairsville video when I was pronouncing it Adairsville initially. But anyway, here I am in front of the Walker County Courthouse. Again, Lafayette is the county seat of Walker County. So I'm gonna make my way into the town square. So Lafayette was founded as Chattooga in 1835 and was the newly formed seat of the recently formed Walker County. So the county was named after former U.S. Senator Freeman Walker. And Chattooga was named Lafayette in 1836 after Gilbert du Motier, Marquis de Lafayette, the French aristocrat who fought in the American Revolutionary War. So it is now 2:48 p.m. local time here in Lafayette. So it is in the Eastern time zone. So a lot of these buildings are centered around the Walter County Courthouse. They have what's called annex buildings. And right here, I'm at the corner of Patton Street and South Main Street. And at this corner is the Bank of Lafayette. Let me go ahead and get across this street. And there's a few shops over here. Right here in the town square. Again, there goes the Bank of Lafayette building right over there. And here's a boutique shop right over here that sells clothing. It's called That's So Mimi. There's a Tokyo hibachi and sushi restaurant. There's a bouquet shop right over here. They have a salon and spa called Strands. This building is the A.R. Hale building, and it's occupied by K.C. Campbell, a registered land surveyor. Land surveying is a very interesting and mathematically centered profession. For those who don't know about surveyors who survey land and maps, this is the Walker County Messenger, founded 1877. So that is the local publication. Debbie's Flowers. They even have a jewelry shop over here called Chapman. Okay. This area too is part of the public square right here in downtown Lafayette. Here's a little park right over here. You have the pavilion right over here, and underneath it are a few of these rocking chairs. Like, are they rocking chairs? Well, actually no, these are stabilized chairs, my bad. But these are more like wooden lawn chairs actually. It's a small downtown, but right here in this park looks like they have some stuff to do. They have a table tennis made, it looks like it's made out of granite or marble, one of the two. Then you have this foosball table right over here, and then you have these shelters right here. There's one that has a swing set, or swing rather, a porch swing. And then you have these chairs right over here. You have the wooden bench over there. So it's a pretty neat little park. You have this grass right here, and they also have a sound stage over there. So similarly landscaped and architected to a lot of city parks. And I wanted to get this mural over here, but before I do that, just wanted to get this in the frame right here. I'm not sure what they're constructing over here or what they're working on, but it looks like they're building like perhaps like some type of shelter for, I don't know, can't really tell. It looks like they might put some chairs and tables. It might be just kind of part like a little eating area or just a little chill area where they put some seats and whatnot. I'm not really sure, but check this out. Walker, Georgia. Walker rocks. Walker, Georgia, come play. So I guess this just signifies the recreational options that you have here in Walker County. This mural right here, you see a lady right here with a paddle in her hand. Looks like she's canoeing. So there's outdoor spots you can do that here. There's rock climbing, as you can see right over here. You can also, I guess they have hiking trails here in Walker County as well as biking trails. So essentially it says Walker County, Georgia, come play. Indulge in the recreational options they have here. Really nice mural. And this mural is by Bidwell, and it was designed in 2023, just a year ago. So shout out to Bidwell. But that concludes the Lafayette vlog here in Northwest Georgia. And if you made it this far and liked the video, please hit the like button. And also, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I drop a new vlog. With that in mind, good people, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.